How to play car games on Crazy Games. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can play car games on Crazy Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To play a car game on Crazy Games app, launch the Crazy Game app and this is the interface you will see. From the bottom, you can just tap on the search icon, which is the magnifying glass icon. Now from the top, go to the search bar and just type in car. When you do that, you'll find the first category that says car games, and there are up to 187 games in this category, so you can select that and you will see a list of all the top games that are within the car game. So you can go ahead and then begin playing any one of these games of your choice. That way you can play car games on Crazy Games. I hope that the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.